Hello, Seashells. That's your color.
Go back for there again while I put it.
You know.
Telling me you're not gonna waste my time. Show me diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? Today is Friday, January 22nd, and today your girl is gonna be in a little music video.
Well, I'll be down.
So I got on the shirt. Wanna read what that say? Mr. Leno Banton himself.
Hello, Seashells. That's your color. Yeah. They have vibe. I don't know the things that.
Where are you?
Shoot. Over there. We're in a Havendale. Yeah. I do a mad shoot for the song called Pina Colada.
Period.
So just wait, drop and I'm gonna love it.
I understand.
There. There's some porridge.
What kind of porridge?
A bag of porridge. Me little know.
A bag of things. My ear planting, my ear cashew, my ear something, bullet for something. I don't want none of that today. So with a whale pan in the hills, you know. So yes, I'm not gonna give away too much of what's gonna be happening in the video. I might put some little behind the scenes here and there, but of course I can't drop the vlog until after the video go up because I don't want to give away all of that. I'm gonna want to know if the music video drop before I even announce it. So until then, see you later. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I actually have a YouTube channel. So, chop chop. Money, 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 chop chop. Guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to cook today. Well, not cook. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a pina colada. As if I know. I really don't. But we're gonna learn today.
Alright,
so
when I sit down, just it. So like I said, so then we've already be in the process of peeling the pineapple. Isn't it? But then that same kind of energy of like interaction. So it's almost like he might show you and like you might laugh after you say.
I make you try it first. Yeah, make you try it first and then.
So I would try it before I'm like, let me first start with this. And then I'm gonna take it from me and show me.
Alright, attempt now.
What am I gonna do with this?
Yeah. You really love because I say I forgot it. Strength. And when we drink some porridge. Strength. When I drink some porridge early.
How old are you again?
Huh?
And Shelby just look funny while I'm doing thing. I'm just like, look impressed. Look impressed.
Look impressed. Yeah, I'm not impressed.
Yeah, that nice. Look back for there again while I put it.
Is it? Vibes.
Vibes.
Alright.
You see me people? I saw the thing. I'm too tall though. The whole of me cut off. That's crazy.
I mean barely.
Alright, go to
So to that part, that's for that part then.
bring in the blender now.
But we can make the pine juice first.
Yeah, they can still make the pine juice first, no matter which order. Just we just have to have everything that makes sense.
Where we getting water? Are you getting it? Where's water?
I don't know, get that cup of
Whatever you
water.
want, buy it with peace of mind. Shop easier and pay.
Are you looking at the recipe, right?
Yes.
Good day.
Fast forward, too much talking.
Before you put in the water,
Pineapple
we
juice.
can get an angle here so have you guys pretending to spray skin again.
Okay.
Then to that I'm gonna add coconut rum, coconut.
Yeah, skin them.
Yeah.
Yo, hold on there.
We have a white room.
Kingdom, come outside.
Ready, and come on. Lena, just go and look on her, make eye contact with her while she has her thing. Yeah, man, of course.
Wait, what can I catch it with?
But this is hilarious.
Keep on shooting, yes, exactly. Like a skirt.
Keep shooting, don't stop shooting.
Now.
Right,
you know. Yeah. Shit. That's crazy. Yeah, we need one on the place like right now.
Yeah, you can use a hand. You recording?
Wait, hold on. Leno?
Leno, get it back in the shot.
Yeah. So just hold the...
You don't want to have it on camera, eat a banana.
Great.
So just hold the... Right? Hold the joke fair.
When I don't eat it now, my straight. Don't tell nobody about it.
Alright, ready? And... Shelby, go ahead. Cool.
Yeah, man.
There's a lot of banana for Pina Colada.
Alright.
That's one banana?
Yeah.
Gucci.
It's a bit much.
Just put the rest of it in there and then...
No, that's not too much banana.
Too much banana, like.
This Pina Colada. I want to get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Dope. Love it. Alright. And then we could get one where like Shelby, you are go blend. You do the blender and then like it might help you hold the blender. Is that approved?
Okay.
No, so wait, me.
Alright, so like she have her hand on top of the blender and you have to like stand behind her and you help her.
Your hand on top of her.
And her, yeah, your hand on top of her one and
Oh, you like a blend now for you now? I will not blend it.
for real.
Hey everyone. So, once this part of the blog where I am taking over.
I'm screaming that actually ends up in it.
Stammer Vision. You see me?
Leno, can I get a pickup from when you walk over the ice? So
Ooh, it's lighting.
Which is very nice.
Yo, at the
Ready?
stammer.
No, I'm from yesterday.
Oh, sorry.
Nike, action. And then boom, let's go. And then just pour it like that.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then blend. Yeah.
What? Yo, people, you're strong. Yeah. People. I need to document this car. Stammer. Stammer is. Right there. Yeah. See
I'm
that?
not sure if it's copying now.
That man said.
See that? Is it that people?
Yo, don't worry. Don't worry.
It's crazy. Mask up and baiting, but you know we can't even see. Exposure. Oh, the exposure body of some man. Catch it, oh, catch it now?
We're moving.
Bucklat.
Yeah.
What's an analogy?
Yeah.
Inside.
Yo, I don't want to know.
Brother, the one bag of all of the juice are fall out from. That's Augustine.
Hold on, no, let's save the juice. Somewhere juice on this.
That's what he said.
No man, no sense again. See there? Stomach. Strength.
Hi guys, I know you missed me. These people got me in these big ass earrings. This is our sense.
And here are we, folks.
I know you guys must be wondering why I have this in my video. I promise I'm not drinking it. Oh my god. No kisses. I don't do that. I like you. You're such a nice doggy. Can I have him? Oh, yes. You're